the consumers of different categories in Goa are broadly classified as follows. We have 55% industrial consumers, we have 28% domestic consumers, we have 14% commercial consumers, and others are 3%. I have been the power minister for nearly 8 years. But throughout the last so many years, the policy of the state government has been to give protection to the consumers. That means you subsidize the supply rate to the consumers and try to get maximum this from the industrial sector and the commercial sector. This has been the broad policy of the government. In the year 2015, the tariff was after the JERC came into picture. Now again there is a public perception that JERC only fixes the rate. JERC fixes the rate based on the recommendations of the power department, and I am sure these rates have been fixed based on the recommendation of the power department. Power department is supposed to put a petition. They have to move a petition in a public notice of the petition filed by the chief electrical engineer before the Joint Electricity Regulatory Commission. The department says that this here it is less, here it is more, we have to balance this, we have to increase this tariff and all. I am sure department has failed to protect the interest of the common consumers before the JERC. Because if you see the increase in the tariff, I will not go into the earlier tariff. I have got the statement. What was the tariff as on 31st March 2015? What was the tariff with effect from 1st April 2015? And what is the tariff going to be from 1st April 2018? I'll just give you the comparison of rates. Now 0 to 100 units, that is very poor man who doesn't have any refrigerator, who doesn't have any washing machine, who doesn't have anything at home, only some tube lights, bulb, maximum fans, can consume up to 100 units. Now for 0 to 100 units, the tariff has been retained as 1 rupee 30 paisa. This is the only salvation. The second category was 100 to 200 units, where the tariff was 1 rupee 90 paisa. That tariff has been increased by 35 paisa to 1 rupee 90 paisa. The third category is 201 to 300 units, which was 2 rupees 40 paisa. That has been hiked by 55 paisa to 3 rupees 95 paisa. And the worst is they have clubbed the category of 301 to 400 and above 400. There were two categories in the last tariff. 301 to 400, that was 3 rupees 10 paisa. And 400, above 400, 3 rupees 60 paisa. You will be shocked to know that this category has been gone to 5 rupees 10 paisa. That means if you compare the domestic rates and the commercial rates, the last slab of the domestic goes into the first slab of the commercial. That means person who is consuming more than 400 or 500 units have been able to shell out 5 rupees 10 paisa per unit, and in the commercial tariff, the lowest slab has been 5 rupees 15 paisa. That means you are actually touching the domestic consumer is touching the commercial aspect, which never has happened. There always used to be a gap between the domestic and the consumer and the commercial consumer. So I have got the details. You will realize, because they have not only increased the tariff, they have also increased the connection charges. Like connection charges were single phase, it was 20 rupees. 3 phase, it was 45 rupees. Now they have clubbed everything and made it blanket 40 rupees. So these are lots of issues which I think immediately, because after 2 years, if you go to see from 3 rupees 10 paisa and 3 rupees 60 paisa going to 5 rupees 10 paisa, I don't think it is 11%. It is much more than 11%. Or they are talking maybe average of this. Only salvation for the smallest consumer, I will say the poorest consumer, which was during my tenure, we used to charge 60 paisa. I remember when first time I was the power minister, and the first tariff we designed, we are charging 60 paisa for the first 100 units. You can go through the records earlier. Now rest all the categories of domestic have been hiked, because the hike which has been affected is huge, and I am sure domestic consumer touching the commercial tariff is a very dangerous thing. And that is why I think immediately government should move. I don't know whether they have defended, they have taken the side of the consumers before the JERC and told them that Goa is a typical this type of state where you have to protect the interest of the small consumers and all. Because this will affect each and everybody in the state of Goa. There will be very few residencies where consumption is less than 100 units, especially LIG and all, wherever we are saying. But today every house has got minimum washing machine, minimum some heater, minimum this type of things, iron, some this type of things are everywhere, every house. So I urge upon the power minister. I have called on him in the morning, I spoke to him, I told him that this is very dangerous. He also agrees with my viewpoint that domestic should not have been charged. He says they are meeting today and probably they said he has promised me that they will file some petition before the JERC.